Today might be a Saturday, but to me it's Taco Tuesday.
You used to be my sweet petite. Now all you do is eat. You used to be my sweet petite. Now all you do is eat. Yeah, you're the biggest girl I met. How big you gonna get? You used to be a ton of fun.
What's going on?
All right.
What are we cooking up?
Today might be a Saturday, but to me it's Taco Tuesday. And Jitterbug struck it good. He got himself a wild turkey this season. And I had a couple of breasts still in the refrigerator. I mean the freezer from last season, all vacuum packed. So I decided we were going to take a couple of thighs from his bird and the breast I got. And we ended up doing some right here. I braised them early this morning just to get them started. We're going to shred this down, put some taco seasonings on it, and we're gonna make some tacos.
All right, all right.
That's good.
You know what goes with tacos, right? Really good taco shells. You can make these at home. It's really easy.
I'm learning here, folks. I've never done this before.
You don't have to buy the store-bought ones. Homemade is so much better if you can do it. So what we have here is 2 cups here of maseca. You find this in the flour section usually at your store.
More protein.
Exactly. Throw that in there. That's 2 cups worth. And then we're gonna add
This is 12 ounces.
12 ounces, so 1.5 cups of water here. Bingo. And then you need a little salt, right? But at the pit, we got a little SPG, so we'll enhance the flavor a little bit more.
That'll kick things up.
Right? Just a little bit. All right, so now we gotta stir it up. We got our nice fancy spoon here, and we're just gonna work that water into it, right?
So you looking for a pancake batter consistency?
Even stiffer than that, so more like a biscuit.
So you want it, the object of the idea is have like a dough ball?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that works out well. Man, this is almost too simple.
That's it. That's the thing. Like, I don't know why.
You don't have to run out to the grocery store. Just grab a sack of the.
You just have that sitting.
And just have that sitting around.
That's it. Yeah, it's just another staple you add to your
no
cabinet.
milk, no eggs, no nothing. Just that and water.
Just water and a little salt.
And why are we using this flour?
So this is a corn flour. This is going to be traditional to Mexico. So Mexico, they've got hundreds of varieties of corn flour, all different colors, flavor profiles, and some of them are special certain times of year where they'll make tortillas out of different varieties of corn. So
that's the consistency you're looking for.
Yeah, that's the consistency you're looking for. So very dough-like, and then essentially you're just going to make some balls out of this.
You need gloves, I can tell.
Hey, we certainly could. So. Ball size.
So about a golf ball,
yeah,
a little
bit bigger than a golf ball there. So, and that's what you're looking for. So we're gonna do that.
There,
and then
put some gloves on, I hope.
Absolutely. And then just to show you the smashing technique, just gonna take your ball, put it right in between some parchment paper, and then you can buy these nice little tortilla presses wherever,
Do you necessarily need that, or you can use plates or anything?
You probably could use some plates or maybe 2 boards of wood.
Okay.
And just give it a nice good
got
press.
Some pressed on it.
Yeah. So this is just a little cheater thing here, and this makes
it hinges. Okay.
Yeah, it hinges. It's supposed to make an 8-inch tortilla, and you just give it a good press, and you're gonna see when that comes out that that's what your tortilla is gonna look like right there. And then all you gotta do,
no oil on them or nothing like that.
No oil on them, and then you're just gonna literally take them right to a hot pan afterwards and flip it on.
Okay.
We'll show you that here in a sec.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
You've got a chimney going, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna dump your fire in. Do you want offset or you want direct? What do you want?
Put it towards center enough so that frying pan fits over it.
I was gonna say, yeah, because you're probably doing more of a direct cook.
Yep.
So I'm gonna take this right out. Put it right down here.
Yeah, because you want them a little bit
and then
color on them, right?
Yeah, so you're gonna cook them to get the water out of them and kind of stiffen them up. And then you can literally store them after that.
All right, so we're just gonna put them on, right? Dead center?
Yep, dead center. So look for the seam in your paper there and kind of use that.
Oh, okay.
With your,
oh, because we on both sides. Yeah,
exactly. Yep.
I got you now.
Flip that over.
Put that on there.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That should be it. Perfect. It's okay. So yeah, that's gonna be the importance of getting it nice and flat.
Come on. Like I said, my first rodeo.
No, it's okay.
Can we use it or redo
Yeah,
it?
we can do it. Yeah, just go ahead and flip it right here on top of the pan. And then of course, just like that. Yep. Of course, we're gonna need
spatula, Jesse.
spatchcock?
In my tub, there's a spatula.
All right, so traditionally we would use a kamal, which is just a flat cast iron pan. So this is
like
pretty close to it.
Like a skillet.
Yeah, it's like a skillet, but it doesn't have the high edges to it.
Right.
Bingo, just like that. And with just a couple seconds on one side, and you give it a flip, and you'll see it'll start to change color. Then what you can do to help transfer, you can leave it on the paper if you want and flip it right into the pan, that way. Consistency of that looking a little better.
Pan's probably not hot enough either.
No, it's getting there. Thanks to the little bacon accelerant down there we got.
Oh.
So when these are done, just take them off and you just stack them up.
Here, let me grab that
Now
one
you
for
can store those later. Perfect. Put that one on. There we go. Perfect. That's it, see?
Special effect.
Listen. We spent a little money on the special effects department, and
Bacon on that last video.
What a crowd. Come on, straighten out, straighten out. Hey, we're getting better at this.
You're hired.
that's it. Got a couple taquerias I can get you in.
Yeah.
Yeah, one with a.
Bingo. Well, I
Yeah.
got my daughter pressing them, and we call her little abuela. Mamacita.
Little
Making-
mamacita, yeah?
Yeah, making the homemade tortillas. With Joseph Q. I'm Jose Ole today.
Oh boy. Well, like you said, once the paper gets a little wet,
Yeah, it just,
nothing sticky anymore.
yeah, as you go through them, by your third one, it's like, okay, now these are coming together.
That's what she said.
There it is. So when you get it right, they poof up like that. All right, pulling that turkey over there.
Just pulling the turkey apart.
All right, we're almost done with the pan here.
Then we're gonna throw everything in the pan and just season it up.
And I think your pan's perfect heat right now too. Oh, you can smell the corn.
Is that it?
One more, we are ready for you. Nothing like wild turkey. Why is it so much better than the store-bought turkeys?
Look at it.
I,
That's perfect.
Is it because of what they're feeding on naturally out there?
Yep.
Just kind of like
Yep.
like wild
Remember,
fish
no
versus-
growth hormones, no nothing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
This is all natural.
So that's them eating bugs and
On the East Coast here, about the only thing they get from his human assistance is the bird feeders.
there you go. And even that, shoot, that's good quality seed and whatnot, hopefully. And
Exactly. No fancy tools, just use your hands.
so why don't
Take it
turkeys
apart.
fly? What's going on?
Why don't they fly?
Why don't they fly?
Like little dinosaurs.
I mean, it's not your butterball breast, but look how that just tears apart.
Oh, yeah, but
a little
that's,
bit of 4-hour braise, just some chicken stock, water, some taco seasoning, SPG, and you were good to go. So you're going to pour a little water in that pan.
Yeah, and this one right here. Yeah, I gotcha.
We're getting a little white in there.
Yeah.
All right, that's enough.
Had you on the wrong side.
Now pour the rest in, or half of it anyways.
See how the wood if you need it.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need it.
Yeah, it looks like you got at least a few pounds in there, right?
Yeah, probably 2.5 maybe. Yeah, we're gonna need it. Just stir it in, folks, just like you would seasoned beef.
See right
that
here.
other one.
Say when?
Right,
Want the
start
whole
going.
thing?
Yeah. And a little bit more of the water. That's good. Perfect. Looks like everything's pretty well dissolved and incorporated.
Pitmaster privilege there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got some veggies to cut up. We're gonna build it up and pig out. Oh, we could use a hot sauce. This is mild. That's mild.
You've got the habanero sauce right there, yeah.
Ooh,
That stuff's tasty.
that should work. Oh, love the smell of fresh cut.
What does the fox say? That song.
Oh man, I come here to get away from that.
I understand.
You've been there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you could slice them right in the shell too. You know what I mean? Where you just. There you go. We're gonna have an avocado tree next year, so.
Cilantro, we got.
Yeah, just like that. There you go. We can scoop them out or whatever.
Yeah, it was supposed to come out better than that, but that one's real ripe.
I don't know that.
Chopper slice. What do you think?
I would dice them up. That's just me.
No, I agree.
It's the gringo way, you know?
All right, just get a picture of this pile.
Perfect. Bingo. There you just put a fresh tomato back there. Get that out of there. Bingo.
Right in the center, everybody can work around it. Got it?
Perfect, yeah.
All right, guys, come on. Come get it. Not your mama's, so you got to build your own. Get in here, J-Dog. Mr. Fame, you jump in here.
Man, this smells outrageous. You kidding me? So we got some wild turkey here.
Yes, it is.
And when was this taken down?
The chicken, chicken. The turkey thighs were last week, and the turkey breast was my last bird of 25 season.
So you can't get this at Taco Bell then, huh?
You probably can get chicken, but I don't think
Oh,
about
yeah,
turkey,
okay.
especially wild turkey.
Yeah, sorry, gentlemen.
Go ahead.
Go for it.
So, that's the wild turkey.
You want that open?
Yeah, I guess we should open that up.
You want any cream on it?
Oh, no. Now,
Right? Get a little.
if I slow
avocado
up
here.
just a little bit, I'm going to have a camera.
Which one's that? Habanero smoke, yeah. That's old school.
Lemon.
If you don't mind, I think I'll help myself too.
Yes.
Oh man.
Almost lost it.
No. Good eating at the pit.
Oh yeah.
Kidding with the homemade.
Yeah, the corn.
The tastes very authentic, and then using this braised perfectly with the turkey.
Can't beat pit tacos, man.
No.
Great shells, man. Look at
Yeah, we're dropping the shelf.
You've been squeezing all day, man.
yeah,
It would come up
Jesus
the backside.
It almost got me. Look at it. Why waste it?
Oh,
That ain't gonna smoke.
want it? Got a little gringo sauce here.
Okay. I'm not buying store-bought shells again.
Right?
Right.
It's always better when it's a mess, though. All right? It's like a whole nother level of effort.
So anyway, as always, great job, Chef.
Thank you.
And remember this, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out the barbecue
Barbecue Pit Boys.
All right?
That's right.
It's good.